Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change app icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see guys, I have my original icon here. And I'm going to show you how we can change the app icon on our Samsung Galaxy phone. First of all, if we want to change the icon, we can go to the settings and we're going to open up the Galaxy themes. You can scroll down until you find the themes menu. Okay, and here you'll be able to get a lot of app icons for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, we can go to the icons menu and you can select the icon that you like. Don't worry guys, because we can get the free icon even though it says we have to pay. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can get the free icon. Go to the top and then you're going to click on the all option and click on free. If you want to search for a specific icon, you just need to enter the keyword on the search menu and you can search for the specific theme for your icon. For example, I'm going to search for the cute icon. So we just need to type in cute and then you can filter it to top free to get the free icon for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and select the icon that you like. For instance, I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and then you can click on download. Okay, and now the icon has been downloaded and we can click on apply. Okay, just hold on until 100%. Okay, and now as you can see guys that my icon has been changed. If you want to change it again, you just need to go to your settings and then you're going to download another icon. I'll go with this one. Okay, don't forget to download the icon and then click on apply. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change app icon on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.